in effect until 4:30 p.m. for north central Weld County. At 4:12 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 13 miles northeast of Purcell, or 29 miles southeast of Cheyenne, moving north at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north central Weld County. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The severe thunder